Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make rose water. All you'll need is 1 cup of dried rose petals, pesticide-free, and 2 cups of filtered water. Placing both into a saucepan, let the mix boil, and place the lid on top to make sure that the volatile oils don't escape. And simmer for about 20 minutes. Let the mix cool down, and then pour it through a sieve or a cheesecloth. Rose water is hydrating to the skin, and it has anti-inflammatory properties. You can spray it on your face, neck, arms, and chest area, as well as your hair. I love the scent of roses, as well as the energy of roses. It aligns me to my truth and connects me to my heart. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And I look forward to seeing you very soon.